Welcome to Gaming, the new channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial market. So my name is Mr. Orange, and oh my god guys, oh my god, those markets, these markets or whatever you want to call them, it is simply crazy. So I think we are a lot of commentators on CNBC etc. They say we are back in the bull market, so probably we are dropping then now in the coming weeks. So now earnings season starts again today with the banks, and as you know, I have my gaming industry, my gaming companies portfolio here, but I also have a company like Microsoft in my portfolio, and Microsoft made the most crazy move that you can imagine. So today you can see here Microsoft. I say Microsoft is part of my gaming portfolio because I mean they have the Xbox obviously, but of course I didn't just buy Microsoft for gaming. I bought Microsoft in general because it's Microsoft. It's one of the most successful, best companies in the world. So, oh my god, I'm now 125% up, and at one time I was 130% up today. I think this is crazy. So I have gains here of $10,000 $10,000 on like $8,000 that I invested. So guys, this is simply crazy. So let's go through my portfolio. I'm not a financial advisor, YouTuber, retail investor myself, and of course just don't buy anything that I'm talking here about, and make your own research. And obviously there are a lot of chances that you can lose a lot of money. So market value is now $67,000. So I'm round about $4,000 up, and today was a $730-40 update in my gaming portfolio. I want to say I'm invested in all of those stocks because this is my real gaming portfolio. This is real money that I'm invested here. And of course I also have other companies. I'm not just investing in those gaming companies. I have other companies too. So this is simply my gaming part of the portfolio where I think like, hey, I want to just have my own gaming ETF. So this is like my own gaming fund. So I'm like a gaming hedge fund manager, if you want to say, if you want to call it like this. Hey, not a financial advisor, guys, just kidding. Okay, Starbreeze. Payday 3 is coming. Payday 3 is coming soon. Starbreeze is amazingly now. Starbreeze is actually, it's one of those, let's put it like this, this stock is extremely difficult to purchase. There's almost no volume in the stock, and most probably it's just, it's like a gamble. So, and either it goes up like it's doubling, or it goes down and goes bankrupt. So it all depends now on Payday 3, how successful Payday 3 will be. So today 4.49%. This means nothing in my personal opinion, because there's a huge spread also if you want to buy this one of the major brokers. So there's a huge spread. So this means nothing in the end, guys. But yeah, I actually plan to buy some more Starbreeze at a much lower price. So I'm not giving you here indications where I buy stocks. Of course, I don't do this. And that I'm now down here $47 means nothing. So Microsoft just talked about this amazing 125% up overall, and today was a 4% update, and it was a little bit more also before. Ubisoft, hey, hello Ubi. Let's see, Ubisoft here, that's the chart of Ubisoft today, almost 3% up. And guys, I thought Ubisoft might go down to the 20 euros. I really thought Ubisoft might drop a little bit more, but over the overall positive markets for growth companies in Europe, in the US, means that Ubisoft actually here rebounded at 25 euros and is going up. So, but if it breaks through, in my opinion, if Ubisoft break through this Fibonacci retracement at around about 29-30 euros, then I'm much more starting to be much more bullish on Ubisoft. But hey, from 18 euros to 27 euros was already pretty good, but I'm not excluding that it can still fall again. So that's definitely not excluded, guys. So Ubisoft up, so I wanted to buy some more. I have some orders for Ubisoft in the market. I want to actually buy some more because, hey, I'm 33% down, 1,500 US dollars. So Digital Pros, even Digital Pros, 505 games, they make Assetto Corsair, Ghost Runner and other titles. They are up today almost 3% as well. Here as well, I have some orders at lower prices. So that's a stock I wanted to purchase some more. I have a very small position. Unity looks not too bad for Unity. So Unity also has some new AI software or AI software integration. Looks definitely promising for Unity to come back. But on the other hand, I don't really know if Unity is so successful as a company. I mean, yeah, of course you can look at the numbers, and Unity people use it especially for mobile to create mobile games, indie games. But with regard to Unreal and to the Unreal Engine, so Unity is just going another direction. So I think I have a little bit too much in Unity at the moment. So I wish I would have had a smaller position, but on the other hand, if we go up, and maybe even if I can equalize with Unity and even can make some money with Unity, it would be great. So at the moment, I'm not planning to buy some Unity. I think having over $2,200 down already losses here is not that's such a positive case at the moment. So hey, anchor effect, Mr. Orange, take care. Playway 1.24%, so was dropping a lot recently. Bigben almost 1%. So Bigben and Nacon. So I think that Bigben could stay at those 5 years for much longer time than you could imagine. So maybe even until the next big bull market in growth stocks is coming. So until then, so maybe I buy some more when it's falling to 450 or down under 450. So maybe I buy a little bit more, but not a lot. So I don't want to have more than 1,000 euros actually in Bigben, and you see I'm already down. ENAD Global, also a Swedish company I recently bought. So here, that's Swedish crowns. I'm a bit down, so that's a company actually I would buy some more stocks if it would continue to fall. So this is one of those companies I think that would be a good candidate to be taken over by a bigger company than Take-Two. We had some interesting news that Take-Two would be a takeover candidate. Someone was talking about this, I think, on Twitch. I don't know the person that was spreading this rumor. So I personally, guys, I don't believe that Take-Two is going to be bought by any other big major companies. For this, Take-Two is simply too big. By Microsoft, by Google, by Meta. So now Take-Two is a huge company. I don't think it's going to be purchased. But hey, stock is actually not doing so good recently. So we are accelerating a little bit. So around about 150, 140 US dollars. So I'm still in the minus. So Square Enix also still in the minus, but a little bit up today. Starward Industry 130% up. Oh my god, this is so crazy. When the Invincible comes out and the game is going to be a flop, or the game is not going to be as good as expected, oh my god, I don't know. I could imagine that this stock actually to drop like 50%. Until then, it's a gamble. So otherwise, guys, I mean, if you see a stock going up like this crazily amount of 130%, then you would tell yourselves, I should have bought more. But on the other hand, hey, this is a gaming company that has not delivered a single game yet. This is really a new company, not a single game they have delivered. So hey, I'm very, very cautious here. Then we have Bloober. They make those very fun horror games, The Medium, Layers of Fear. Also, that's okay. I can live with this, so around about 40%. Also smaller position. Then Rovio is a company that's going to be acquired by Sega Sammy. Talked about this already. So overall in the stock, nothing is going to happen. So at the moment, it's locked up, and I cannot really, I think, trade this. And yeah, I'm just taking the $358 at the point it's going to disappear then for my portfolio. CD Projekt. Hey, 160 zlotys. I mean, how cool is this? Let's go to CD Projekt. Whew. You see this trend line here, this trend line here on the right side, you see it? That's actually very interesting. So we were coming back from this, and this looks like we are creating some trend support, some trend line support. So I thought honestly it could go back a little bit to the Fibonacci retracement, because hey, sometimes it always comes back. So and then if the new DLC Phantom Liberty comes out, if it's going to be popular, if they're going to show more information about the new games, the new Witcher games, then this is there would definitely be a lot of new momentum for the stock to run. So not excluding it still can come down if we get a little pullback over summer. So everything is possible, guys. So, but on the other hand, why not going to the next Fibonacci retracement? It's also not so excluded. So hey, as always, I don't have the crystal ball. I'm just seeing that I'm down 24%, which is quite a lot, since my position actually in CD Projekt was growing now to $7,000 and is now around about $7,000. So, and here I always have to take care about the risk of the currency, the forex risk, because I bought it actually, CD Projekt, I bought it in Frankfurt and I bought it in the US. So, and then Activision Blizzard. Activision Blizzard, guys. Activision Blizzard. Here we go. So I don't wanna speculate. So Microsoft Activision Blizzard deal nears completion in the US. Microsoft Activision race for the finish line. So those are some headlines here you can find on the games industry. Yeah, I guess it looks good. It looks good for Activision Blizzard, and this would mean that I would sell Activision Blizzard and for around about $6,000, and I would have $6,000. I have no idea where I'm going to put those $6,000. Will I put it in another gaming stock? I'm not sure about this yet. So probably I'm just keeping it and putting it in general in other stocks. So this would also mean then the market value of my gaming portfolio would fall again a little bit. But hey, that's okay. It's definitely okay. I made my money, and hey, since I'm in Luxembourg, this is going to be tax-free, guys. Tax-free, $6,000 tax-free. Awesome. So Nacon, I just talked about this with Bigben 20%, Nacon 20% down. Corsair is a disappointment. Corsair is definitely a disappointment. So Corsair would have been interesting to purchase, to average down at one point, but at the moment I'm doing nothing with Corsair. I let it run. So I like Corsair products. I still use Corsair products. So this is for me. So stock, I'm just keeping it. So I mean, I cannot change the fact that I'm now down 2,300 €300. I mean, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Focus Home Interactive, Focus Home Entertainment, Requiem, Plague's Tale, and all those games they make. So French company. Also, they have a lot of new games coming out, and they are really active. They are massively publishing massively great games, actually, with great graphics. So 553 euros I have now in the stock, and I'm in the minus. So I also have an order at a bit at a lower price than 42.55 euros. So I hope I can buy this stock a little bit cheaper, and then I would actually also be happy to buy some more, because that's one of those companies I see a lot of positive opportunities. So then we have Embracer Group, 60% down. I cannot change this now either. Would I buy now more? So Embracer, we at 25,000 Swedish krona. 25,000 Swedish krona. Guys, I mean, there was a lot of negativity. There was a lot of negativity in Embracer. You've seen all my videos. And we didn't fall through to the 15, 16 Swedish krona. So it is possible that we create some strong support area here at 25 Embracer. at 25 Swedish krona, and then maybe we are moving back to the 40 Swedish krona Fibonacci retracement. Will we see the 135 Swedish krona soon? I don't think so, guys. So I mean, there's a lot happened. I mean, if you have watched my videos, then you know there a lot happened. So therefore, I'm a bit reluctant. So this would be a stock of 15, 16 Swedish krona, or even going to 20 Swedish krona again. I could imagine maybe to average a little bit down. But on the other hand, you see, I already have quite how much is it? 2.5%. That's around about $1,700 it's worth now. And I lost already a lot of money. So hey, sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. Playtika, Israeli company, gaming, mobile gaming. So I just have a too small position for this stock, but I've seen the right moment. I've seen the right moment to buy Playtika. So I go and purchase always small position, make a little small foot in the door, small step, and not going with high positions in. I'm very diversified. And what happens? Playtika goes up 23%. So hey, I could have bought more, but hey, that's how it goes. Also Nexon also was running much better than expected. 6.44%. Nexon, South Korean and also Japanese listed gaming company. Ultimate Games, my position is extremely small, so it's really a small position. So Ultimate Games, I'm just letting it run, so I get some dividends from it. I'm not doing anything with Ultimate Games here, but I'm 32% down. So Ultimate Games is also part of Playway, so maybe at one point I might sell Ultimate Games and then simply put the money in Playway. So, and then we have Team 70, also one of the new companies from England that I recently bought. So Team 70 definitely is going the direction that I thought it should go, because it goes down. We're now at 11.57% down for me. So, and that's definitely a stock I could imagine to purchase some more, because I like the company, guys. I like the company. I will buy some more. I will have some orders in the market to get it even cheaper. So, and I have those. That's my strategy, guys. So, and then Tencent Holding, yeah, well, that's a play that is very much related to China. So, if the relationship between the US and China is going to improve again, or hopefully improves at one point in our lifetime, then the stock could come back massively. Otherwise, so probably it stays around this valuation, and we don't see the 60, 70 euros here or dollars here again. So yeah, so what is my strategy, guys? My strategy is buying small positions. I have a lot of orders in the market for a lot of stocks, and hey, if the orders get activated, then I'm buying the stock, and if not, then I'm not buying the stock. So I have my stock market portfolio is now with regard to my overall wealth extremely big. And this means in proportion, that means that I don't necessarily need to buy at the moment new stocks. It's always good to have some cash, and therefore I have orders in the market. I buy when stocks get cheap. I buy stocks. My orders are mostly at positions where the retail investor would have his stop loss, where someone from the internet probably told the retail investor, hey, put your stop loss there, because when it falls under this stop loss, then you're going to lose even more. So hey, it's like people saying the stop loss $390, I think it was for NVIDIA, and then you have seen like NVIDIA, hey guys, it's now 460. So NVIDIA, I still hold my NVIDIA stock still going up like crazy. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this portfolio update. It's always a great pleasure to present you my gaming portfolio, my little gaming fund, as I call it. So I really have fun with it. So it's just, I mean, it's a hobby. It's cool. I really love it. So, and if you love this too, then comment, like, and subscribe. So, and I invite you to come back to me, watch with me, watch some other videos where I also deep dive a little bit more in some of the other companies. So, but this is the big market overview. All right. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.